Want to spark your child's love for science without leaving the kitchen? Today on Signet TV, we're sharing 5 easy science experiments you can do at home. They're fun, safe, and open up a world of discovery for your kids. These experiments use everyday items you probably already have around the house. They are perfect for curious young minds, so let's get started on this exciting scientific journey. Get ready to explore and have a blast. First up, the captivating magic milk experiment. You'll need a shallow plate, whole milk, food coloring, and a cotton swab. Don't forget dish soap. Begin by pouring the whole milk into the shallow dish, ensuring it covers the bottom. Next, carefully add a few drops of vibrant red, blue, and yellow food coloring onto the milk surface. Then, dip one end of your cotton bud into the dish soap. Now, gently touch the milk surface with the soapy cotton bud and watch the colors explode and swirl in a mesmerizing display. It's truly a magical moment. Why does this happen? The soap breaks down the fat molecules in the milk, causing the colors to swirl and dance. This experiment beautifully combines chemistry and art. Milk contains fat, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. The soap molecules attach to the fat molecules, breaking the surface tension and pushing the food coloring around, creating that vibrant explosion. It's a fantastic demonstration of how science works. Next, we have the exciting balloon rocket. To create your own, you'll need a standard party balloon, a plastic drinking straw, thin string, and clear tape. First, thread the string through the straw. Then, tie the string tightly between 2 chairs, ensuring it's taut. Make sure the string is pulled tight. Now, carefully tape the balloon to the straw. Blow up the balloon, but don't tie it off. Once full of air, simply let it go and watch it zoom across the room. Why does this work so well? The escaping air from the balloon pushes it forward, illustrating Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. As air is released, it creates thrust, explained by Newton's third law. The force of air in one direction propels the balloon in the opposite direction, showcasing a core physics principle. It's a great way to learn about forces. Third on our list is the delightful dancing raisins experiment. You'll need a clear drinking glass filled with a fizzy drink and a handful of raisins. Simply drop the raisins into the fizzy drink. Initially, they will sink. But just wait, and soon you'll see them start dancing up and down in the glass. Watch the raisins come to life. It's a mesmerizing sight. Why do they dance? Carbon dioxide bubbles in the fizzy drink stick to the raisin's rough surface, lifting them to the surface. The bubbles act like tiny life jackets. Once at the surface, these bubbles pop, releasing the gas. With the bubbles gone, the raisins lose buoyancy and sink again. This is a fun way to observe gas in action. The cycle continues. Raisins are denser than soda, so they sink. As bubbles attach, the raisin becomes buoyant and rises. When bubbles pop, it sinks, creating the continuous dancing effect. It's a fascinating display of density and buoyancy. Fourth, we have the fantastic DIY lava lamp. You'll need a transparent glass bottle, vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and an effervescent tablet. Begin by filling the bottle mostly with vegetable oil. Then, carefully add water until nearly full, creating distinct layers. Make sure you can see the layers. Next, add a few drops of food coloring. Watch as the colored drops sink through the oil and mix with the water below. Finally, drop in the effervescent tablet. Get ready for the show. Now, prepare to be captivated as you watch blobs of colored water rise and fall, just like a classic lava lamp. It's a truly mesmerizing chemistry show that will keep you enchanted. Watch the colors move. Why does this happen? Oil and water don't mix due to different densities. The fizzy tablet releases carbon dioxide gas, which pushes the colored water upward. It's all about density. Oil is less dense than water, so it floats. The food coloring mixes with water. The tablet releases carbon dioxide gas, which rises, carrying the colored water. At the top, gas escapes and water sinks, creating a continuous cycle. It's a beautiful demonstration of science. Last but not least, the beautiful walking water rainbow experiment. You'll need 3 clear drinking glasses, paper towels, and vibrant food coloring. First, fill 2 glasses with water. Add red food coloring to one and blue to the other. Place the empty glass in the middle. Get ready for a colorful journey. Next, roll up 2 strips of paper towels and place them like bridges. One end goes into the red water and the other into the empty glass. Do the same for the blue water. Watch the water walk. Over time, you'll observe the colored water walking up the paper towels and into the middle glass, where red and blue will mix to create a beautiful purple hue. It's a slow but fascinating transformation. See the colors blend. Why does this happen? This phenomenon is known as capillary action, the same process plants use to draw water up their stems from the soil. It's a vital natural process. It's all about the water's journey. Capillary action is a liquid's ability to flow in narrow spaces against gravity. Water molecules stick to each other through cohesion and to the paper towels through adhesion. This combined force allows water to move up, defying gravity. It's a wonderful example of science in action. And there you have it, 5 easy science experiments you can do right at home with your children. They are fun, hands-on, and help kids see the magic of science in their everyday lives. These experiments are a great way to learn. Which experiment will you and your family try first? We'd love to hear about your experiences, so please let us know in the comments section below. Share your results. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other parents, and subscribe to Signet TV for more science-backed parenting and learning tips every week. We appreciate your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us today on Signet TV. We hope you have a wonderful time exploring the wonders of science with your kids. See you next time for more exciting discoveries. Keep exploring.